Before you begin, remove the top cover, wireless module, display panel assembly, display bezel, and display panel. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the display panel and wireless antenna cables through the display panel hinges for later replacement. Peel back the metallic tape that secures the left display panel hinge to the display enclosure. Remove the three 2.5 mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the display enclosure. Remove the two 2.5 mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the display enclosure. Partially close the left display panel hinge and remove it from the alignment pins and retention clips on the display enclosure. Remove the rubber cable guide surrounding the display panel cable from the opening in the left display panel hinge cover. Remove the left display panel hinge. The right display panel hinge is removed in the same manner. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel hinges.